Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Polo Life 1.0 TSI 95HP M5 in sleek gray. This hatchback is packed with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, and lane departure warning. Feel the luxury with the luxury trim interior and Bluetooth phone connectivity. With ABS, traction control, and collision avoidance braking, this car prioritizes your safety. Plus, it comes with a Powertrain warranty, an anti-corrosion warranty for peace of mind. Our vehicles undergo a full multi-point health and safety check and are serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information.